This is Silvia apartment. So as you can see, this is a living room and kitchen, balcony. We have had also 3 people living here, so one slept in the here in the living room. So here is the kitchen easel, or how you call it, kitchen countertop. Then we have here there is room for washing machine, 1 bedroom here. It's like 65 meter square apartment for rent in Milan, near Bocconi University. Here there is a wardrobe now in the corner, so very nice. And here we have corridor. And a bathroom, shower. Very nice big walk-in shower here behind. Very nice. Then we have, you can see from here also the plan. Then we have Navi was here, and then there is the second bedroom. This is the entrance. Second bedroom with the study table, bright. Lot of room also here. I think we bring here also some wardrobe or something, or we put some wardrobe here. And there is AC also, now that you can see in the photo. I hope you like it. Check the price and availability with Ottavia. I put the link downstairs.